Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to speed up and boost performance on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your keyboard, what you need to do is to simply press Windows key and R on your keyboard, and this dialog box here is going to pop up. Right? So what you need to do is to simply, then the next thing you need to do is to simply type in this particular command. So just type in this particular command, sysdm.cpi, then click on OK, and this window here is going to pop up just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to Advanced tab. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to Adjust for best performance. And the next thing you need to do is to simply hit on OK. Then click on OK, just like so. Next thing you want to do here is to press Window key plus R again to bring out this particular window right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply type in this particular command key. So type in msconfig, then click on OK. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to Startup right here. Click on Startup. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply open Tax Manager. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do here is to disable some of the app that is running in the background of your PC. So just like so, what you can do is to simply select on the app that you would like to disable. So I'm going to click on the phone link right there and then come down below here and click on disable. And with that, your PC performance is going to boost and the speed of the PC is going to drastically increase. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to boost your PC performance without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.